Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we shall talk about Snapchat copy to clipboard and what does it really mean. So guys, if you come over here to your photos on Snapchat and take an example, you want to edit a bit of some photos. So for this case, I'll come to this photo and I'll choose to edit this photo. If you want to edit it, just come and tap on this pen like icon over here and then you'll be presented a few options. But if you want to edit it the other way, just come and tap on this one over here, the text, and then you see over here the auto caption. And in most cases, when you input the auto caption over here, it will automatically copy it to the clipboard, and that is what it means. So this means if you choose auto caption over here, which is the text, this one over here, Snapchat will automatically automatically copy what you have texted on your image that you're editing onto the clipboard, and that is what basically it does mean. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.